क्षमापूर्णं जगद्गुरुं वन्दे परमहंसाख्यं नित्यानन्दाय स्वागतं जीवन्मुक्तिप्रदं देवं क्षमापूर्णं जगद्गुरुं वन्दे परमहंसाख्यं नित्यानन्दाय स्वागतम् आनन्दानुभवास्वादं सर्वरोगनिवारकं वन्दे पापविनाशक्तं नित्यानन्दाय स्वागतम् आनन्दानुभवास्वादं सर्वरोगनिवारकं वन्दे पापविनाशक्तम्
जातवेदसे सुनवामसो ममराति यतो नितः दिवेतः स नः पर्षदति दुर्गानि विश्वानावेव सिन्धुं दुरितात्यग्निः तामग्निवर्णां तपसा ज्वलन्तीं वैरोचनीं कर्मफलेषु जुष्टाम् दुर्गां देवीं चरणमहं प्रपद्ये सुतरसि तरसे नमः अग्ने त्वं पारयानव्यो अस्मान् स्वस्तिभिरति दुर्गानि विश्वा पूष्यभृद्वे बहुलानभुर्वे भवातो गायतनयाय संयोः विश्वानि नो दुर्गा।
Nityananda, everyone. Very glad to be here in Singapore, seeing so many people, some of whom I know from a long time. I think even from 2003 or 4 I've seen some people, both in Singapore and some faces from Malaysia I can recognize, and some lot of new people. Firstly, I want to welcome all of you to this historic occasion of the opening of the Libraries Foundation in Singapore. Swamiji has been in Singapore since the early times of the mission and has always had a lot of fond memories being here and in Malaysia. And he sends his blessings. In fact, he is so happy that satsangs are going on, I think in 4 locations now, and hopefully we'll work towards a center very soon. And we have a very large Anandeshwari specially reserved for Singapore. I think as soon as the center happens, I think they will come. And so it is really phenomenal to see so many of you here.
80% of all my illnesses, whatever it was, I don't, till today I don't have, my blood pressure is not high. I've never had, I've never felt giddy or anything. Even after I'm coming after 30 hours of work currently, but I still feel quite good.
And I didn't know why, I didn't know what happened, and that's the only time I really met him. But since then, I feel like I've gotten so much perspective in life.
Last year in November, I decided to go for the LBE program. I spent 3 months in Bidadi with Swamiji in his presence, and it was just amazing. It was just amazing.
Nityanandam, everybody. During Guru Purnima, I went to Bidadi, and when I had the darshan of Swamiji, it's so happy to be in his presence. I have an elated feeling when I do go to him.
I welcome you all with my love and blessings. Hope all of you are able to see me. So, it's so nice to be with you all now, virtually. You see, with ordinary people, virtual means physical absence, virtual presence. With us, it is presence and presence and presence, that's all. I am there with you all. No time or space can bind. And my heartfelt gratitude to Singapore devotees and to the Singapore country for reviving our Life Bliss Foundation in a beautiful way and in a new way. So my blessings to all the Singapore devotees and gratitude to all of you for standing with us and reviving the Life Bliss Foundation. Understand, we will serve Singapore. We will serve Singapore. We thank the Singapore country and Singapore devotees and our heartfelt gratitude for reviving the organization. We will serve Singapore as our gratitude. Continue to radiate the spiritual knowledge and all the spiritual services. Give all the best things to Singapore. And I welcome you all to come to Bidadi for next programs. We have Living Enlightenment program, and we have Himalayas trip, and we have Inner Awakening program. I welcome all devotees to come to Bidadi. And today I declare, within next year, next Independence Day, next August 15th, we will have our own temple and ashram in Singapore.
All that I smell, I offer to you, Swami Nityananda. All that I see, all that I hear, I offer to you, Swami Nityananda. Like this dance and this song and this joy, I surrender to you. All that I feel, all that I am, I offer to you, Swami Nityananda. Uragaram, Karunavataram, Samsara Saram, Bhujagendraharam, Sada Vasantam, Hridayara Vinde, Bhavam Bhavani, Sahitam Namami. All of my dreams, all my desires,